Okay, so for months, my lock has been stuck. Haven't been able to get it unstuck. I put the key in, yeah, I got it unstuck. But as soon as I start the car, I would put it in reverse and it would still be locked, even after I put the key in here. So, how did I fix it? It was just out of the blue. I unlocked it, put it in reverse. I drove and I actually forgot something. I left my car on and I put it in park, and later afterwards I turned off the car, forgot to put the key in here. Every time I started the car I had to put the key in here so I could put it in drive. It had just happened to work. It was interesting. So if you have the same problem, just put your car in park, leave it on, put it in gear, and while the car is on, put it back in park, turn off the car, and see if that works without the key. All right.